All right, good morning, guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. So today I'm going to be going over one of your actually first projects, which is called the Get to Know You project. Um, so your challenge. So in this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to create a presentation about yourself. This assignment will help me as well as the other class get to know you. Don't forget that we here at Kavod are a family, and I can't wait to get to know each and every one of you guys. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a presentation answering these questions below. So if you notice here, question 1 is you're going to put down what is your favorite movie. Question 2 is what is your favorite song. Where is your favorite place to go on vacation or maybe visit. Question 4 is if you could eat one thing every day for the rest of your life, what would it be? Question 5 is if you could have any superpower, what would it be? 6 is what is something you would like to learn in PE. And then question 7 is an optional question, is what else would you like us to know about you? And so again, make sure that your questions are appropriate for the class. Your classmates will be watching these videos and providing responses, and we'll go over that later on in the project. So how it could get broken down, you can kind of manipulate this if you'd like, but I want a title page with your name, your grade, and a picture of you, if possible. Slide 1 should include the first question, so what is your favorite movie? With a picture. Slide 2 should be your favorite song with a picture of the song, and then so on and so forth. Okay, now this should be in digital format. Platforms that you can use to complete this assignment are WeVideo, Google Slides, Adobe Spark, and PowerPoint. If you are unfamiliar with some of those, you can go ahead. Here are some videos that I linked here on how to use these platforms. If there's something else that you want to use, another platform that I didn't list here and you want to use, go ahead and shoot me an email asking if you can use that, and I'll go ahead and let you know if you can or cannot. Once you have completed your project, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on this Google form. You're going to fill it out. It's going to ask you some questions, and then you're going to copy and paste your link and submit that form. And what that's going to do is then I'm going to be able to receive your link and go ahead and review your project, and then I'll post later so everyone can go ahead and look at each other's projects and kind of learn about who we are and what we did this summer and some of our favorite foods and our favorite movies and our favorite songs, so we become closer knit family like Kavod is. So if you guys have any questions, again, feel free to email me at any time. I'm available 24/7. Hope you guys have an outstanding day. Coach Hing out.